Well, hello everybody. I'm back after a long break. So yeah, I'm back. I'm going to do a get ready with me video today and explain to you where I've been. If you're interested in the products that I'm using, I will list them below, but this isn't really a tutorial video, so I'm not going to really talk about the actual makeup that I'm doing. So yeah, if you've noticed, I haven't uploaded in like a month. I put a little short that I made at Disneyland like a month ago. I put that up yesterday, but yeah. I just, to be honest, I've been having a hard time with my mental health. I don't know why. I just am not dealing with the state of the world well. Every time I turn on the TV, every time I open social media, I see something that really bothers me like a lot, to the point where I sometimes cry, or it puts me in a very bad mood for the rest of the day. And so yeah, that doesn't really make for good fun YouTube videos. We did go to Disneyland last month for our 15th wedding anniversary and for Brandon's 40th birthday, and it was really fun, and I did make a video for it. I just haven't uploaded it yet because it took me a very long time to edit it, and I just haven't felt great. I just haven't been motivated to do the things that I really have once really liked doing. It's been very hot, and so like being under these lights, I can't have a fan on and it makes too much noise. That doesn't make for a good video either. As you can see, I'm in a little bit different space because we just have so much stuff in this little place, and it's just like I've tried to like clean it out and it's just not possible. It just fills back up because we just have a lot of hobbies and a lot of big items in our little place, and I can't get a bigger place. So yeah, hopefully I can crop out some of this stuff. If not, I'm sorry. It's not a cute background. I don't like it. The salons are doing pretty good, but I'm not gonna lie, the looming threat of a shutdown is like always in the back of my mind. It just seems like ever since the first initial lockdown and having to close the salon, I just have had this like anxiety, depression, and it's not going away. It's been like a year and a half. I'm gonna try and get back into the habit of doing videos again, even if it's just stuff like this, just to get me back in the habit so that, you know, I'm making videos again, because I do like making them, and just I'm the type of person like I need to do it like as soon as I feel the motivation to do it. Otherwise I'm gonna lose my motivation. And since I don't really have like a designated always area in my house to like always be set up and ready for a video, I have to like set everything up, and that takes me, you know, a little while, and by the time I've got it all set up, I've lost my motivation. I don't really feel like doing it anymore. So I tried to set up a little area like where my vanity is in my bedroom, where all my makeup is anyway. That way I wouldn't have to like drag it all into the living room when I felt like doing a video. That didn't work out. I couldn't get my ring light to like stay set up. Every time I touched the camera or did anything, it just like fell over because I can't find the right stand to put on the vanity. This is just like the story of my life lately. I'm like, oh, okay, I'll do this. This will make me feel better. I go to do it, it doesn't work out. Which then makes you feel worse again. It like actually makes you feel worse than before. Because it's like, oh, well, I can't even do this. It is very hot in here. My legs I actually have no pants on. And I am very hot and sweaty. I hate it. Makes your makeup look gross. Makes you stink. Ugh. Why can't my life just be perfect? Can't run the AC because if I turn on the AC, I blow a fuse and everything else in the house goes out. Because the electricity here is crap. Not to mention it's expensive. My electricity bill like shot up. I think that they did some weird thing where like you're in tiers now instead of it just being one rate per whatever kilowatt or whatever they measure it in. So at certain times it's more expensive than others. Oh, guess what? The times when everyone's home. Yeah, the time when you need your electricity the most. And of course we have major construction going on over on this side of the house now instead of over on that side of the house. It's like the people around here that own these properties know exactly. It's like they get together and time it out. That way there's never, ever peace in the neighborhood. It's like they're like, okay, we're going to be finished making noise on this day, so you can start making noise on that day. And then everyone will be always rattled and annoyed with all the noise. And all the construction workers can take up all your parking. If you haven't noticed, I've been in a bad mood a lot lately. A lot. I'm just so over so much in this world right now. I'm over California. I'm over how expensive it is, how regulated it is. Like you can't do anything without paying some bureaucracy some money. Like they're gangsters or something, shaking you down so you can do business. But I got no choice. I gotta stay. Already built a life here. Got 2 salons. My husband's put in a lot into his career. He's got a good job. I really need some Botox. I don't know, what do you guys do when you feel like this? Do you have like something to keep you productive? Because like when you're feeling like this, you just don't want to do anything. You literally want to lay in bed all day. And I did for a while. I even finally watched season 10, well, most of season 10, The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. I watched it all except the reunion episodes. It was pretty good. I mean, the stuff with Denise, I mean, I felt like it was a little, obviously, everything in that show was blown out of proportion. That's just how the show is. But I just feel like it didn't have to be that crazy about what they were talking about. But Denise felt that way about, you know, the conversation they had in front of the kids and how that turned into her and Brandy. Anyway, so we'll see what happens. I still need to watch season 11. I don't think that's on Hulu. That's where I've been watching it, is on Hulu. I think you can buy it on Amazon. Season 11. I think that's all the seasons, right? If you guys know, let me know below. There's only 11 seasons, right? Whew, it's hot. This look isn't gonna be much because I'm hot and I want to get out from under these lights. Not to mention my little Luxie. And Luxie, she has to go to the BET later, just for her annual exam. So every 3 years, in order to renew their dog license with the county, I think, they have to get their rabies. But Luxie's allergic to rabies, so she can't get rabies. So I need to get some sort of something from the doctor to give to the county that says she doesn't get the rabies shot because it'll basically kill her. So I have to do that today. She's not gonna be too happy about that. She gets kind of nervous there. Kind of a nervous baby. I bring her little treats and little things to try and help her during the appointment, to keep her calm, but she's like not having it. Even her favorite treats. Oh my god, I'm sweating so bad. I hate it. Makes me feel gross. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to get too into this look because I need to go because I'm sweating so bad. I need to turn on the air conditioning. It is going to be my birthday on Monday. And we're gonna go back to Disneyland, and guess what? Some good stuff. We got our annual passes to Disneyland back. We have passes again now. So I'll be able to do that on the weekends like we used to. That will probably help with my moods. Not doing lashes today because I don't think they're gonna stay on with all this sweat. So just some mascara. Just some mascara, and I think that'll do it for the eyes. And then just some gloss. No liner. None of that. Okay. Something simple today. Just because it's so hot. I don't like wearing a lot of makeup when it's super hot, for obvious reasons. So yeah, hope you like this little get ready with me video. I mostly just did it to help me get back into the swing of things. I would love to be able to do daily makeup videos where I just talk about whatever's on my mind and what's going on with my life and the world, the salons, everything, makeup. But I gotta figure out a better situation as far as my rig and stuff. So I do know I'm getting a new camera soon, so that will be helpful. Not that I really need it, but yeah. So if you liked this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and hopefully I will be back into the swing of things soon and doing more makeup, nails, and Disney. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.